Meaning of external ear.
External ear.
External ear.
External ear.
External ear. The external ear, also called the outer ear, is the visible part of the ear that collects sound waves and funnels them towards the eardrum. It consists of the pinna, the visible part, the ear canal, and the eardrum. The pinna helps to locate the direction from which sounds originate, while the ear canal amplifies sound and protects the eardrum from damage. The eardrum vibrates in response to sound waves, which then travel to the middle ear. Overall, the external ear plays a crucial role in our ability to hear and locate sounds in our environment.